So on my way up and over Berry Mountain at the moment, heading towards Kangaroo Valley and the Tallowa Dam for put-in. We're going to be having a good old time fishing for bass and camping on the river at the Beehive camping area. So looking forward to that. The weather sort of holds. There might be a few showers, overcast kind of conditions, but sometimes that's not too bad when you're on a kayak compared to getting, you know, baked in the sun. Yeah, we may get a little bit wet. That's meant to be, a little few showers happening, but yeah, it's only water, right? So yeah, stay tuned. It should be a really good little weekend. I got 2 nights camping. My brother and his mates are coming down tomorrow morning, so they'll sleep over Saturday night, and hopefully we can get stuck into some bass. I was down here a few weeks ago for a day trip, and yeah, managed to catch probably about 10 bass, the biggest being 36 centimetres. So yeah, hopefully we can continue that on this little weekend trip. Stay tuned. Got to remember too, when you come down here, there's no cell service, so you got no sort of phone service. Recently I've got one of these little Zoleo GPS devices. It doesn't enable me just to talk like Wi-Fi, etc., but definitely I can text, message, and let my family know where I am. Everything's okay. Uses the Iridium satellite network. So yeah, first time I'm going to be trialling that on this little trip because there's no service. So I've arrived down at Tallowa Dam now. Just got the kayak off the roof, and now I've got to empty the car and fill it up with all the gear. So stay tuned. Right, we're just about to put in here now at Tallowa Dam. Everything's rigged up and ready to go. I'm just going to hope the Hobie floats. I've got so much stuff on here. Anyway, we're going to soon see. So I'll put her in the water. I'm going to get rid of the wheels, put them back in the car. Don't have to worry about carrying them. I've got to throw my 70 odd kilos on there as well, right? Oh, we didn't sink. Alright, let's get into it. Beautiful. Yeah, just flicking a couple of hard bodies on my way up to the campsite. Not in any big hurry. So I'd like to get to the camping area and set the tent up before any kind of showers happen. It's not as much fun to do in the rain. Interesting to see from a previous trip, which was like blue skies and sunny weather, hot days, to this kind of cool change that's come through with a southerly wind, overcast, and you know, sporadic showers. Whether that's going to put the fish off, but I'm going to give it a damn good crack and see what we can come up to over the next couple of days. We've picked up a small fish by the feel, all the same. It's just a bit of a speculator. Let's Hasn't really pulled any drag. But just a little boy. There you go. Awesome. Good stuff. There you go. First bass of the trip. There you go. The guy's going to go back in. Off you go. Good stuff. Okay, we've got a fish on here. So clear this other one. Okay, this is another little guy. In that 20 centimetre odd size. Good stuff, buddy. Come aboard. Okay, second little bass. Just trolling. So I'm trying to get up towards the fishing space. Nice little guy. Look at this for a gem. 40 centimetre bass. Just doing a little troll. Came across this guy. He just smoked me. I've got a big bird's nest of line. He's probably the unluckiest fish to ever be caught. But check him out all the same. Yeah, right. How's that? Oh, it's the biggest bass I think I've ever caught down in Kangaroo Valley. So he's got to go back in. He's done the job. Been a great catch. I'm approaching the spot where I just caught a nice 40 centimetre bass. He's got some mates. Oh, there's another one. Whoa. Strike. Fish feel like they're a little bit weightier. Definitely. It's the exact same spot. I just approached the same area. Let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, he's got a bit of weight. He's going to run again for sure. Whoa. That's a lumpy fish or whatever. I can't see him yet. Whoa, baby. On the pretty light stick here, the 1 to 3 kilo. This has got to be another big 40. Something like it. Wow, I haven't felt that strike like that for a while. This rock wall here behind me, absolute nailing it. And it's the same lure, which I did manage to salvage. And it's the, it's a bruiser. Let's have a look at this fish. Oh, nice fish. Now, as I can see, I'm loaded up to the hilt. I didn't want to bring excess gear. Didn't want to bring a net. Might be unwise, but whoa! Yeah. Another fine-looking specimen. Have a look at him. Yahoo! Oh wow! Well, there you go. That's just again on the trolling. There's the little jackal chubby. It's taking this big baby down. Wow, so good. Look at that size. Got the measure right here because I just released the other one and had to re-rig everything. I reckon he's going to go 40. It might even be a slightly bit bigger. There you go, look at that. Alright, now this guy's 39, so he's shy a centimetre. 39 centimetre bass. Wow, so good. Pretty happy to catch them this size. Along this area is just, yeah, held 2 really big fish. You know, give him a swim. Thanks for coming along. What a beast. There it goes. Oh, that might be wrong. This edge has been dynamite. Let's see what this guy looks like when he gets up. Oh, that's respectable bass. Come over, mate. Come on over. Another big beautiful bass on the chubby. Check it out. Hey? Great fish. Respectable. Alright, let's oh, he's just hanging in there. Okay, clear him out of the way. How about that little lure? It's just been a gun. Nearly lost it before, but managed to salvage, so there it is. Beautiful little jackal chubby floating 38mm. That goldy colour seems to be working a treat. Nice little fish. There you go, another nice, beautiful Australian bass. Okay, I reckon he's going to push the mid-30s maybe. There you go, 34 centimetre. Not a bad fish at all. 34 centimetre bass. Love it. Beautiful. Oh God, help me. This guy was feeding on the surface. I could hear him whopping it over there, and I thought I'm going to put a cicada on and go straight in on him. How good. Oh my God. Oh, this is the best little session. Oh, he's a nice fish too. Oh, you know what it is? It's a bloody carp. Rotten carp. Oh, that's annoying. It just looked like too big. Oh, I want that cicada back. Come here. This is going to be fun. Trying to keep him up out of the way. Annoying pest. Just wanted to get that cicada back. I wasn't keen on losing that to a big horrible carp anyway. Thought it was a bass feeding off the surface, but it was a carp. Alright, well, I will flick in the cicada, see if there's anything else that might. It's a bit early in the arvo yet. On here. Oh, little guy. Oh, I think. It's hard to tell these fellas. Yeah, no, this guy is just a bit smaller. Yeah, little guy. Well, staying. Still loving that. Loving that little chubby. Yeah. Okay, buddy. This one feels weighty. So beautiful out here. These fish have been pretty on the chew. I mean, I'm just trolling, but just the same, I'm really just trying to troll up to where my camping area is and set up tent for the night. Oh, yeah, he's just a little tacker again. He's a real little tacker. He might have been caught on something underneath the water. Now made it to Beehive Point, very quiet. Only a few people kept away because of the weather. Got a custom made kayak parking spot here, made for one. That's pretty cool. And I'll get my gear tucked away and get my camp happening.
We don't need to hurry. The road ahead is clear. Let's follow the coast as far as it goes, or until we disappear. That gives me an idea. Let's get lost together. Let's go chase that postcard. Wish you were here, weather.
Yeah,
Let's get lost together.
First bass of the evening on the cicada, on the surface.
If we don't, I know
Little pecker,
that I won't
little guy.
last another year.
Yeah, I like him for that. Such a peaceful spot up here at the moment. No wind, absolutely beautiful, stunning.
So check it out here.
Freedom.
There's a whole wide world out to unfold. Not so far from here.
We've got another little one here, he's just smashed the old cicada.
Let's go chase that
Sign, maybe it's time. The cicadas and they're all starting to chirp up right now. Got a 20 centimetre. Probably starting to get a bit too dark to see on the GoPro. Anyway, we'll pop him back. See if there's a few others on my way of heading back to camp. Campsite's all set up. Tent, everything's ready. Had a blissful day, no rain, pretty happy. Okay, that's going to end the day for me. Oh, it's a big one. 7:45, so it's just gone dark. Had a little bit of success on the surface casting, but only smaller bass. So I'll go get squared away, get some dinner, and get ready for the morning session. What a great day. Good morning everybody, it's about 10 to 6 AM on Saturday morning. Got a little bit of a shower happening outside. I'm in the Durston Mid 2P tent. It's like a hiking tent with the tracking poles. Giving that a test run. Probably good for it to have a little bit of a shower and rain just to give it a test out. I'm waiting for my brother to come along this morning, so I might just hold here for a little bit before I get going. See if this little shower passes by and I can get the kayak ready and take it out for another morning fish. So stay tuned. Hopefully the weather's kind to us. Well, up bright and early to a bit of an overcast morning, which was predicted on the forecast. A little bit of a breeze, some light sort of fog on the water. The kayak's in the water ready to go. Just going to have a quick bowl of wheat bix before I head out, and hopefully the conditions stay like this. Even it's perfect. Has had a few showers overnight camping, and so yeah, see how it goes this morning. Looking forward to catching up with my brother, a couple of mates, and they head up here this morning. gorgeous morning. Have a look at it. Wow, light mist. Okay, there's a little guy punched on the surface. Always gives you a big shock, actually. I find kind of, you know what you're expecting, but when it actually happens, it's like kaboom. Let's have a look. Oh, he's kind of hooked through the belly. That's probably why he feels like he should be bigger. Little gill rakers on the bass. So there he is. Just a little fella, 20 centimetre maybe. Healthy bass. Beautiful. Look at it out there. Ha. Alright. Yep. Oh, you hit that pretty close to the boat. Whee. It's kind of like kind of country you'd expect to find bass there. It's a bass, small fella. Yeah, that snag looked very fishy. Okay, we just got to get on to a couple of the bigger boys. Done. Oh, it's another nice bass. This one feels pretty good. Oh, very snaggy country. So I've been trolling up a little bit, and I thought I'd just give this guy a cast at that big timber snag there. Oh, right, mate. Yeah, nice fish. Put a nice bend in these 1 to 3 kilo sticks, that's for sure. Well, mate, let's have a look at you. Just clear this other rod. Yeah, this guy's a nice one. Yeah. Beauty. There we go, look at that guy. Yeah, hey. Nice specimen. Yeah, into the 30s. So that's one of the little roll and cranks. small little lure. I've had a lot of success with them different times. $34cm, so that's good. Nice fish. He was really well hooked. So I'm going to get him back in because I don't want him to suffer any longer. I'll cast on these snags, try and get a couple more of these beautiful fish. Big. I think he might have went down in some kelp there. Oh, that's on my little yeah, really nice little rock wall behind me there. Looks like deep water, so I thought I'd just give it a bit of a flick in there. Yeah, this guy answered the call. It was, yeah, nice little like strike. He went straight down. There must have been some weed. So, he came out and there we go. Popped him back. I go back down in. Get that pretty close to the boat. Whee. Okay. Just a smaller one. Little 25 centimetre style. Beautiful, mate. Yeah, probably 23 centimetre model. I know, I'm underselling myself here. 27, yeah, little guy. Yeah, oh, and that whole stack of other ones, 34, 36, and then a heap of like 25, 22. Yeah, was that on diving? Yeah. A few.